take a look here now at Google Chrome scenario 4. In this scenario, we're going to be taking a look at some of the options you have in Google Chrome when it comes to searching for specific words and searching, doing more in-depth searches from the text that you see on a website, and actually sending a link to specific points of a web page to someone else. We're going to go take a look here. So here we have this article here from ESPN.com about about a U.S. soccer player named Sergio Dest. So one of the things we're going to take a look at is the find feature here within Chrome here. So on a Chromebook or a PC, if they use the keyboard shortcut Control F, or if you're on a Mac, it's Command F. I'll go ahead. I'm on a Mac. I'm going to do Command F. You're going to see right up here at the top, this little search bar pops up here. I can also access this from the top right corner, and I go to Find. It does the exact same thing. So you can use the keyboard command or use the three dots here in the top right corner. So let's say here I'm going to put in the last name of the player, and it says right here there's 22 times that word is mentioned. And then what I can do, hit this button here, and I can scroll down, and it will take every time that word, or if it's part of a word, it will then scroll down and highlight and show me all the different places where this word is being used within this article here. So very useful when they're trying to sift through, maybe doing some research, looking for specific things. This is a great thing that students can learn how to use. Another thing that you can do is, let's say here we're reading, let me close this down here. If I'm reading this first sentence of the second paragraph, it says, Dest was born in the Dutch town of Almere. So maybe I want to learn more about Almere. Instead of opening another tab and going and searching for it, if I highlight this and I right click on it, I can search Google for Almere, and then it does it automatically for me. So it allows you students to do secondary, more in-depth research of specific text within a web page in Google Chrome. And then another thing here, let's say that we're scrolling down here, and I want to share. I don't want really to share the entire article here, but I want to bring your attention to just a specific part. So let's say this paragraph right here. If I select the text here, what I can do, if I right click on it, it says copy link to highlight. What this is going to do, if I was to email this or text it or put it in Google Classroom for someone else to see, I'll go ahead and open it up here. I paste, and then they open up the link and they click on it. Watch what happens. It takes you right to that spot. Then there's so it allows you to share specific parts of a web page in Chrome without someone having to scroll down and find it. It takes them right to it by right clicking and select copy to highlight. So three things that Google Chrome that make Google Chrome a very powerful web browser is sharing, copying the links to highlight, using the search Google for specific highlighted text, and then using the find feature using Control F on a Chromebook or a PC, or using Command F on a Mac, or you can find the find feature by clicking the three dots in the top right corner.